May mga leader na ang kanilang concept ng leadership is about control and dominance. Ayaw nila na hindi nila makontrol bawat aspeto ng kanilang negosyo or kanilang operation. Dapat sila yung may pinakamalaking boses, pinakamalaking say. Lahat-lahat dapat talagang mag-worship sa kanila. And this brand of leadership creates fear, intimidation, and of course, animosity sa iyong grupo. So pag yan ang leadership style mo, it can work in few occasions. But generally, pag ganyan yung approach mo, naku, mahihirapan ka. Especially kung ang palaging priority mo is your own advancement. So, to be more effective, forget about yourself muna. Focus on the needs of your people. Focus on how you can help them become better. When you place their needs over yours, masa-surprise ka kung gaano sila ka-loyal, gaano sila ka-eager, gaano sila ka-all-out sa pag-support ng iyong mga programs at iyong mga innovation. So, beginning today, shift your focus from I, me, my, mine to your people's welfare.